Welcome to Himeji, home to the most spectacular fortress in all of Japan. Dominating the skyline is the breathtaking Himeji Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site famously known as the White Heron Castle for its brilliant white exterior and elegant design. Just a short stroll from the castle walls, you can find peace in the 9 distinct landscapes of Koko-en Garden, or dive deeper into the city's rich heritage at its world-class art and history museums. Whether you're here for the samurai history or the stunning seasonal views, finding the perfect home base is key. Up next, we're counting down the best accommodations in Himeji. Before we dive into the list, here are a few quick tips to help you plan. You can find direct booking links, extra travel advice, and our specific hotel selection criteria in the video description below. For the fastest way to book, just scan the QR code displayed on the screen for each property to secure your stay immediately. Disclaimer: I may not have stayed at every hotel featured in this video, but each recommendation is based on thorough research and analysis of recent guest reviews, amenities, and value. Experience ultimate convenience at Hotel Monterey Himeji, a 3-star sanctuary located a mere 80 meters from Himeji Station. This prime location offers easy access to an array of stores and eateries, placing the city's vibrant energy right at your doorstep. The sleek contemporary rooms are a masterclass in design, blending Japanese-inspired aesthetics with modern luxury to create a cozy atmosphere. It is the perfect gateway for those looking to explore the historic Himeji Castle while enjoying a sophisticated urban retreat. Space and sophistication define the accommodations at Hotel Monterey Himeji, where rooms range from 22 to an expansive 92 square meters. These layouts are more spacious than most alternatives in the area, providing a generous environment to unwind. Every guest room is equipped with excellent amenities, featuring a premium pocket coil Simmons mattress for a superior sleep experience. With a dedicated work desk, a comfortable seating area, and a modern air purifier, the rooms blend Japanese-inspired aesthetics with the practical luxuries of a premier city retreat. Hotel Monterey Himeji offers a refined set of facilities that prioritize guest comfort and taste. You can enjoy a restorative soak in the indoor public bath, unwind in the sauna, or indulge in the restaurant's signature Italian a la carte service for lunch and dinner. Start your day with a comprehensive breakfast buffet and manage your travel needs with ease using the on-site coin laundry. It is a smart, cozy choice where every facility is designed to complement your visit to this historic castle city. Efficiency and modern style come together at Daiwa Roynet Hotel Himeji. Perfectly positioned only 290 meters from JR Himeji Station, this 3-star hotel provides easy access to plenty of restaurants and stores, making it a breeze to explore the city's culinary scene. The contemporary rooms are designed with minimalist aesthetics, creating a clean and functional retreat. With a radiating cozy atmosphere and professional service, it serves as a reliable and sophisticated home base for both business and leisure travelers. Space is a signature feature at Daiwa Roynet Hotel Himeji, where rooms range from 20.5 to an expansive 59 square meters. These accommodations are notably spacious compared to other 3-star business hotels in the area, providing ample room to relax or work. Every room offers dynamic city views, while the exclusive Castle Suite provides a stunning vantage point overlooking the historic Himeji Castle. With a wide desk, a comfortable seating area, and high-quality bath amenities, each room blends minimalist aesthetics with the practical luxuries of a premier city stay. Streamlined and efficient, the facilities at Daiwa Roynet Hotel Himeji are designed to complement a busy travel schedule. Guests can enjoy the convenience of an on-site restaurant, perfect for starting the day with a satisfying meal before heading out to explore the city. For those on extended stays or multi-city tours, the practical laundromat provides the independence to refresh your wardrobe with ease. Experience the perfect balance of transit hub convenience and relaxation at Dormy Inn Himeji. This 3-star business hotel is situated just 240 meters from Himeji Station, providing easy access to the terminals and a wide array of eateries station-wide. The contemporary rooms are designed with simple, minimalist interiors, creating a calm and clutter-free environment for the modern traveler. Efficiency is at the heart of Dormy Inn Himeji, where rooms are designed for the smart traveler. While single rooms start at a very compact 11 square meters, those seeking more comfort, especially business travelers, should consider upgrading to a 14 square meter double or a generous 23 square meter twin room. Each space features simple, minimalist interiors and is equipped with a full suite of essentials, including a TV, tea set, and nightwear. With high-quality bath amenities and a functional layout, these rooms provide a quiet, private base in the center of the city. Well-being and generous hospitality define the facilities at Dormy Inn Himeji. The standout feature is the top-floor wellness center, which includes both an indoor and open-air onsen, along with a rejuvenating sauna. After a relaxing soak, guests can enjoy thoughtful perks like free drinks and popsicles. The culinary experience is equally inviting, featuring a hearty breakfast buffet and the signature complimentary yonaki soba served late at night. With a practical laundromat on site, this hotel offers a complete, self-contained retreat just steps from the station. Smart design and a bright, welcoming atmosphere define the experience at Richmond Hotel Himeji. Situated just 350 meters from Himeji Station, this 3-star property provides easy access to the diverse eateries and stores that line the station area. The contemporary rooms are meticulously planned, featuring bright lighting and subtle Himeji-inspired aesthetics that pay homage to the city's rich history. It is an ideal home base for those who value a clean, modern aesthetic with a local soul. Prioritize productivity and comfort at Richmond Hotel Himeji, where rooms range from 17 to 26 square meters. These layouts are notably more spacious than 3-star alternatives in the area, particularly the single rooms, making the property an excellent choice for business travelers. Each space is designed with bright lighting and features a wide desk optimized for work. Complemented by an LCD TV, a dedicated air purifier, and soft nightwear, these rooms provide a perfectly balanced environment for a successful city stay. Richmond Hotel Himeji offers a smart set of facilities that prioritize guest flexibility. You can kick off your morning in the restaurant with a diverse breakfast buffet, then return in the afternoon to find the space transformed into a lounge offering free beverages. To accommodate longer stays, the hotel also features a dedicated laundromat,